Hello dear customers, greetings from TICAB company. Today I would like to bring to your attention an innovative development in the field of asphalt paving from TICAB manufacturing company, the ABS-8000 advanced autonomous bitumen emulsion sprayer. An ABS-8000, a high-capacity bitumen emulsion sprayer designed for professional road construction and maintenance. The ABS-8000 is built for large-scale projects. With an 8,000 liters tank and high spraying capacity, it allows you to cover large areas quickly and efficiently. Precise spraying control is one of its key advantages. You can adjust the application rate directly from the cap, ensuring uniform coverage and perfect adhesion of asphalt layers. The asphalt sprayer maintains optional bitumen temperature thanks to a heating system with a diesel burner, so your material is always ready for a high-quality application. The ABS-8000 is also designed for convenience and reliability. A remote control of the spray bar, an intuitive control panel inside the cabin, rear view camera for better visibility. A pressure cleaning system prevents clogging and saves maintenance time. Please note, the ABS-8000 can be mounted on your truck. If you are looking for a reliable and strong partner, the manufacturer of road building equipment, choose TICAB. Thank you guys for your attention. I can talk for hours about the TICAB machine, but today we are on a rush. We have to deliver to our customer his special order.